Okay, welcome to tonight's video. Basically what I'm going to do is go through this project, which is this one right here. It uses the mouse to control the ship at the bottom of the screen. It uses the keyboard to control the little dude here, and I can jump and go down an air level. And it also uses sprites, obviously, and it uses the little dots, which I don't do anything with at the moment, but they're cool. I wanted to go and revisit this project and do what I did to the last project, which is go through and thoroughly comment all the variables and all the lines of code. This is a little bit longer of a project. I may not even go all the way through the project in the first video, so just bear with me here. But I thought it would be really good to kind of get my bearings on using the textures again and using the soil library, which I believe is just also in here, probably in the oh, there we go. Excuse me. So it's got the soil.lib, glfw3, libglue32, OpenGL32. Okay, I'm just being weird. Okay, so here's the key callback. Here's the create texture 2D. Here's the mount. Now create texture 2D. Did I? Texture function. Something tells me I did that. So it just accepts, okay, yeah, the texture path. This texture. Oh, and it has all this in here, so we can change that if we need. So I just did this just to get it out of the code, apparently, because it's a very short function. It doesn't need to actually be in a separate file, but I guess that's good. And then we also have the sprite class, which I've already got over there. So sprite, it's got all these variables. That's really cool. Bind VAO, draw this, update sprite. Then it's got the platform, which inherits from sprite. Inherits sprite. Okay, so that's cool. And then we've also got this shader stuff, which is provided with the book, I guess. Yeah, they turn the shader information into really cool, actually. Alright, it's not what we're here to comment. What we're here to comment is this Windows dimensions, keys, last X, last Y. I think this, yeah. Mouse movement globals. Okay. Let's just go like this with keyboard, input, globals. Move mouse, current Y, okay. Platform character, platform level character is standing on Y. And then this platform array is trib IDs, that's GL stuff, OpenGL stuff. Let's take this, oh, wait. Maybe we are already at the top of the, let's just put it up there with window dimensions, which are pretty well obvious. Delta time, last frame, X offset, Y offset, okay. Point stuff. Okay, well this would be good. The point particle system would be really good to put into a class. I might do that in the second video. I don't know if I'm going to do that in the first video tonight. Let's see, we just have the vertices. Then we have the speed. We can put that all in the class. That would be great. That would be great. This is your randomize seed function call. Int p vertices, so points in points array thing. Okay, which is fine. It's just random. Random color. Okay, vectors. I don't know if you've seen my other videos or if you have experience with C++. Excuse me, on cough medicine tonight. But I highly recommend that you learn about, experiment with, get into these vectors. They're really cool. They're variable length arrays that you control. You push back and instantiate a member of the array based on the type that you specify in the initialization. It's really, and then when you're looping through, you can use like b.length. Oh wait, is it size? Yeah, b.size. The size of the array tells you. That will return how many members of the array have been created, which is awesome. Oh, I may not make it through this video. Okay, so there's the ship, and there's the ship scale. What in the world? So PEB, I'm not sure what those are for, but that's why we're here. This is the ship. I'm just going to put that's the ship. Okay, so what is P? That platforms. It's right here. Platform J. Yep, so P are the platforms. Vector first time, here it goes. Okay, well, let's go. P vector array are the platforms. Don't know how to say it more verbose or brief than that. Okay, E. What is the E? Actually, what's B? B is right here. Speed. B pushback platform. Current Y. What is that? What is it? Well, that's what we got to figure out. Once upon a time, we understood all this and we knew what was going on, but now we are clueless. That is why we go back and recomment code. Init the actual platforms. Okay, so platforms. Okay. Ship. Okay, B speed. Here's the E, pushback platform speed. Bounce equals true. E. Oh, that must be, I wonder if it's the characters. I bet you it is. Because this is TX, E index, TX, E, and then does it use, oh, it sends in the TX and TY, so I bet that's under platform. That is probably your start position, text coordinates, texture coordinates. Okay, so E is those little character dudes, moving characters, back and forth, quote unquote bouncing off edges of the screen. Oops, I forgot to write that this was the E vector array. There. Okay. So if those are the platforms of the moving characters, B must be the, what's left, actually? I am not sure. There's only one. Is that the, that must be the player character. Player character. Okay. Don't know what this is, but we don't need it. Excuse me. Okay, player character init ship. This is where you init the ship. Is this function init? This is main. Okay, so we're doing this just before the loop. Oh, why didn't I just do an init function? So young, so innocent I was when I started this project. Huh. Okay, loop through. This is the E. This is okay, and then it goes through and does all that with the texture coordinates, and yeah. Oh, do I have to comment all that? Not really. I don't want to. I have to, but I don't want to. I should. It'd be good, but I don't want to. The actual platforms. Wait, what is this? Oh, duh. This isn't the platforms. Init characters. For walking back and forth. Okay. Yeah, because that's what they do. They go back and forth, and they bounce out the edge of the screen. Okay. Because it sets the bounce to true. So, actual platforms. That's what made me decide to go back. And yeah, okay. I know about as much as what's going on in this program as, yeah. Okay, build and compile our vertex shader program. Okay, so the shaders, let's go to projects, some stuff. Okay, so you have the vertex and vertex shader. Right. Okay, so our shader is the vertex shader and fragment shader. Our P shader, that would be for the points. That's going to be for points. Second shader for point. GL points. Okay, great. And all this stuff is really well commented, and that's from the thing. Okay. So, all right. Well, we're pretty well halfway done. Init points VAO. Okay. Well, so I like that. Init p vertices points array. See, so you have the points. So I would literally, I mean, you could literally create the class from this. It would be actually quite easy. So let's see how far we get with the code commenting. See, here's the points VAO. So that's what motivates me to want to just put that into a class and get rid of it. Bind VAO, bind VAO, bind VAO. See, this should just be points dot bind VAO for all of those points and the vertices. See, this is perfect. This is just perfect. Okay, our shader program, our shader.program. Just getting the uniform locations, putting those into transform loc and text chord log. Okay. Current frame, it does a bunch of stuff based on time. Calculate delta time of the current frame. Why does it do that actually? Maybe it's for, what does it use that for? Last frame equals current frame. Find all references. 201 and 42. That's it? Is it really ever used? Huh. Go to the other one. Current frame. Where is that used? Find all references. Okay, I don't know why this is in my code here. Let's see if we broke anything. Nope, doesn't break anything. So I'm guessing it's not used. That sucks. Okay, I don't know why it was in here. Probably for something. I mean, it's cool and might be used for some kind of time-based rendering rather than frame-based rendering, but it's okay. We don't want to do that right now. Our shader.use, keys, space, and speed there. Okay, check all platform levels, sprite position. Look at it, I've actually got commenting going on in here. Okay. If B position Y is greater than current Y, B speed, if B position is greater. What is this, B? And we determined earlier that B was what? B is the player character. So there, that's what that is. Pretty sure. Left, right, left and not right. Not left and not right. Up, down. Up is jump, right? What does up do? It just... Down will bring you down, but up doesn't do anything. I don't see up doing anything. If GLU int I 0 to p size 4, okay, it's p speed x equals 0. Up just changes the speed of all the p's, which is the p's are the platforms, aren't they? Yeah, changes the speed of all the platforms to 0. It's because initially I changed it so that the left and right keys moved the platforms as well, which I changed later. So we don't really need that code. Yeah, we don't need this code in here. We can leave the key up, but it doesn't do anything. Pardon me. Isn't that yummy? That sound good? Okay, draw this here, update sprite, update sprite. This is just updating the stuff. Move mouse, ship position. This is the adjust ship position based on mouse input. That's pretty awesome. Ship draw this. Are we at the end? We're already done. Okay, so we're probably going to do, because it's only been 18 minutes. So shader use, GL enable program point size, bind vertex array, draw points. Okay, perfect. So actually it all happens right here. Enable points shader. Enable setting point size in vertex shader. Bind points VAO and draw points with OpenGL. Unbind VAO. Alright, so that was really good. I am going to go ahead and end this video and make another one because I want the it's going to be a brand new class, so I want that to be in a separate video. So Anyways, thank you for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'm going to make the other video like right now. I'm going to hit stop recording, then I'm going to turn right around and hit start recording. So you'll be able to tell by the bottom of the screen here. If you watch the next video, the minutes will not change, or maybe it will.